Hi everyone, it's Gabi from the Kia Hyundai channel. In today's quick how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can get into your Kia EV9 that has flush door handles in the event of a dead key fob or a dead 12-volt battery. Let's get into it. So before we get into the process, here's what you'll need to actually open your doors to get in. Number one will be your key fob. Now if this is dead, obviously the buttons are not going to work and nothing's going to respond. But you will need this to start your car once you get in. Now to actually get into the vehicle, you're going to be utilizing these mechanical keys. When you pick up your car, you should receive 2 of them, just like you'll receive 2 key fobs. In the past, or previous Kia models that had push to start, you would have your mechanical key within the fob itself. That is no longer the case for vehicles like the EV9, the Telluride, or the Sorento, and I'm assuming it'll transfer to more and more of our lineup. So once you have these 2, you can move to your next step, which is, so now that we know what keys to use, we're going to go to our door handle. This is the driver's side, and from this indent forward, we're going to push with every ounce of strength in your body. So push, 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 and then the back end should come out a little bit. You're just going to want to reach in there and pull it out. The door handle should slide out pretty easily. From there, we'll take a look underneath, and then with one hand, you want to make sure you have it fully extended or else it will retract back into the car. There's this little section here that you can push on. I find it easier to use the mechanical key just because I have brittle nails and maybe you do too. So with one hand holding this out, I'm going to flick it off and it might go flying. Don't worry, I'll pick it up. Maybe not this time. There we go, nice and easy. From there, you can see your actual mechanical key slot. So you're going to take that mechanical key, put it in, this is kind of a tricky spot, and twist it until you hear your car unlock. Maybe I have to go the other way. Sorry guys, this is an awkward angle. All right, there we go. Car. Unlocked. So, car unlocked. Every single time it will set off the panic button. So I did press lock to stop it. From now, I'm going to show you how you can actually start your car. Again, you'll only be able to start your car if it's just the fob that's dead. If your 12-volt battery is dead, you will need to boost it. So cameraman's going to join me on the passenger side and we'll take a look at how to start it with the dead key fob. Now that we're in the car and I have my key fob with me, traditionally you usually touch the fob to the start button, but I'm not sure if it's because this button's in an awkward place. Kia has implemented a new connection point. So right over here, you'll see we have this key icon. All I have to do is touch my fob to here, press the brake, so fully depress it like you would normally start your car, and then my start button. I accidentally pressed lock. But we'll press our start button, car will turn on, and then you're good to go. This, of course, will not be the case if you actually have a dead auxiliary or 12-volt battery. If that's the case, you will have to boost your vehicle or perhaps get a new battery. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about the EV9 or any Kia or Hyundai in general, this is the channel to follow because we do tips and tricks like this all the time, full vehicle walkthroughs, and the best part is we actually have 3 dealerships that can actually sell you a car. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.